If you're thinking about buying a home right now, you've probably asked yourself, should I buy now or wait until rates drop? It's a fair question. Of course, rates are in the news every day and they directly affect affordability. I'm Joseph Ranola with the Bridge and Boro Team at Matthias Real Estate. I work with buyers here in Staten Island and South Brooklyn, and I will break down the pros and cons of buying now versus waiting. Buying now, while rates are higher, has some advantages. There are fewer buyers competing for the same homes, so that means less chance of bidding wars and, in some cases, more room to negotiate with sellers. You can also refinance later if rates drop. Do not count on that 100%, but that is the going thought process. If you wait for rates to come down, yes, your monthly payments will be lower and more buyers will re-enter the market. But that's the issue, more competition. Lower rates often create bidding wars, heavy bidding wars, and the price you pay for the home could end up higher than it would have been at today's rates, typically much higher. Truth is, nobody can perfectly time the market. What matters most is whether you're financially ready and whether you find the right home for your needs. If the numbers work for you today, buying now can be a smart move. If you'd be stretched thin, waiting may give you more breathing room. So, should you buy now or wait? The answer depends on your situation, your finances, your outlook, and your comfort level with competition. Every situation is unique, so before you take your next step, the first step, any step, get the right local insight, reach out to me, Joseph Ranola, and let's start your journey together.